then we'll go.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for being here. As the CEO of Walesi, Sanjay, just highlighted, that many of you would know that Walesi was launched about 5 or 7 years ago to ensure that we provide digital connectivity, in particular television connectivity, to all Fijians, no matter where they live in Fiji. So today, people are watching television, free-to-air television, right down in southern Lau, in Rotuma, in the interior of Vitilevu, in Vanuatu, and all those places. You can get Walesi connectivity with a set-top box. If you earn less than $30,000 a year, you get a free set-top box, which you can apply and you get that. If you earn more than that, you can of course buy that. It costs about $80 to $90. But what we are here for today is that government had announced through Walesi, or has been working with Walesi, to ensure that we get connectivity throughout Fiji. A number of areas like parks, etc., we've connected free Wi-Fi. So we have what we call a digitalization program for all the markets in Fiji. We've just been to Nadi market. So in Nadi market, the entire market area has been Wi-Fi'd, and also we're putting up the television sets for the vendors and of course the customers to watch Walesi should they wish to. So you know, there are maybe important programs like this afternoon there's a Dean's Trophy, you have Independence Day celebrations. If you're here, you can watch that. It's been televised live. We've got IDC. There's various other people. Some people may want to watch Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani, so you can watch that too. The remotes for the television sets are given to, of course, the market master. So I know these people may want to watch one program, they may want to watch one program, somebody else. You all have to agree as to what's the most important program to watch. We've got 2 TV screens here. There'll be a third one put up at where the the flower sellers are. We'll put one up there for them also. The Wi-Fi means that it's free Wi-Fi. So essentially means the free Wi-Fi, you can connect your phones to the Wi-Fi, you can access data, Viber, WhatsApp, all of that is there for you. Please use it responsibly. We also would wish you to ensure that you participate in what we're trying to do, and that is, we want every Fijian to have access to communications. We want everybody to have connectivity. Because if you are not connected and somebody else is connected, it becomes an unequal society. Everybody must have access to the same information. So if you see in the Walesi, just those of you who may not know, there's about 9 active channels on Walesi. You have 3 channels for FBC, 2 for Fiji TV, then you have the parliamentary channel, you have the Hope channel, which is a religious channel, and then you have the education channel, for students, etc., who go to school, for them to be able to access the information. So that's what we're here for. Look after the TV sets. If your team loses the game, don't throw something at the TV set. Make sure that we look after the assets, because it's here to help you and to be able to assist you. So ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to lastly, but not least, of course, thank the chairman of Walesi, Robert Khan, who's here, CEO Sanjay, who's the CEO of Walesi, and of course the team from Walesi. They've been throughout Fiji, and as a result of that input by government, the budgetary allocations that have been made for the past number of years, we're able to get everybody connected. I wish you all a very good afternoon. Binaka, thank you. So this is the FBC Sports channel, which the only channel has got what we call high definition. So high definition means that the quality of the picture is a lot better, because sports is a lot better when you watch it in high definition. And then of course you have the other channels that are here. Let me just sort of flick it. So this is the channel 2. This is the Fiji TV channel. This is again FBC2, and this is the Parliament channel. You see again committee proceedings are going ahead.
Thank you, Honourable Member.
The Hope channel, which is the faith-based channel, one of the church groups, they've got this particular channel. And then we've got the channel 10, which which is the education channel. You see all the different, there's a maths program going on. The next one is the FBC TV, channel 1. And this lesson, yeah. Okay. And then of course you've got the Wi-Fi.
Children was old 10 meter markers.